Hello. How are you? Good morning.
Good morning, teacher Kate.
Morning, Bright. Good morning. Chin, good morning. Good morning, Chin. Hey, Chin. Chin is making faces. All right. Okay, guys.
Good morning, teacher
Morning.
Kate.
Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? How are you doing? How is your Friday? How is your Friday?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Sira. Good morning, iPhone, Kunsu, Alka. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning, teacher Kate.
Oh, morning. Morning. Pramod, good morning. All right, guys. Today we don't have a lot to do, but we're going to do a lot of talking, right? It's English communication. English communication, right? As usual, we start with what? Right? We start with what? We start with? We start with our vocabulary, right? We start with vocabulary. Good morning, Angapa. Good morning, Kanyong. Good morning, guys. How many are we now? 10. Right?
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Teacher writing there.
Yes, sweetheart. Yes. Okay. All right. Let's start. We can start with the dictation because we want to do a lot of talking today, right?
Teacher, number 1 is what?
All right, Alka. Right. We're just giving others a one last minute, then we start. Right? So be ready. Just write number 1 up to 5. Just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All is to wait for others. Good morning, Teacher Pang. Okay. Good morning. All right. We can start. We can start now. Number 1. All right. Others are still preparing. Tamyong, are you ready now? Okay. Ready? All right. All right. Let's start number 1. Number 1, Kunsu. Number 1. All right. Cook. Right? Cook. I love cooking. Write the word cook. Tin, are you writing? Tin, are you writing? Tin is looking at Teacher Tate. I don't know if he's writing. All right. Number 2. Are you done with cook? Oh, okay. Smile. 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 Hey, today you guys are very happy, right? Smile. 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 Smile for me. Smile, right? Smile. Alma Power, are you done? Are you done? No? No. Now, number 2 is smile. Smile, like smiling. He's smiling. Smile. Smile. Write the word smile. Okay. Number 3. Number 3, jump. Jump. This one is easy, guys. Jump. He is jumping. Oh, he can jump. It can jump. A tiger can jump. Jump, jump. Oh, this one is easy. Jump, jump, jump. It can jump. Jump. We did this one yesterday. It can jump. It can jump. All right. Okay. See, number 4. Number 4, write the word see. 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 Like he is seeing you. See. I can see you. Write the word see. I can see Pramod. I can see Tin. I can see Java. I can't see Java though. Your video is turned off. All right, I can see Java now. See, right? The word see. This one is also easy. Very easy, right? Yeah, good. The last one, number 5. The last one, number 5, write the word read. Read. I like reading. I like reading. Write the word read. Write the word read. It can read. It can read. Oh, it can't read. A parrot can't read or write, right? But it can talk. Write the word read. All of these, we did them yesterday. Number 4 is see. Number 4 is see. 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 It can see. Oh, I can see. I can see Kunsu. I can see Tanyong. See. All right, number 5, read. Number 5, Kunsu, now we're waiting for you. Yeah, the one we're saying number 4, number 5, right? Number 5, it's read. Read. It can't read. A parrot can't read. Write the word read. All right, it's okay, guys. Here we go. Here we go. There are the answers. These ones are pretty easy. Right? Anybody done? Are you done?
I am done.
All right, good. All right, good, guys. How many did you get? iPhone, how many did you get?
Got 5. I got FIVE. 5.
That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. All right. Who else is still writing? Anybody? That's me. Oh, Bright got 5. That's good. That's wonderful. All right. All right. That's wonderful. Java got 5. Tam Young, how many did you get?
Teacher.
Yes. Good morning, Nachanon. Nachanon, we are done with dictation. Okay, and those are the answers. All right.
Teacher, I have.
Yellow, good morning.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes, Java.
I got 0.
You got what?
I got 0.
Really?
No.
Why? All right. If you got 0, you got 0. All right. Those are the answers, Java. Those are the answers. Can you quickly write? Let's quickly write. Java, quickly write. If you did and quickly write, you want
I'm
to
finished now.
all
I
right.
got 5.
That was pretty fast. All right, those that are done, may you please go to page 107 in your English book on lesson 6. Go to page 107. 107. 107, 107, 107. Go to that page.
I am 107, 107, 107, 1.
Java. All right. Is there anybody who is still writing? Anybody who is still writing?
I don't know.
Yeah, they should speak for themselves. If they're writing, they say yes, teacher. All right.
We can
Let's continue, guys. Let's continue, guys. Let's continue. We have limited, right? Allow me, please, to just switch on my. Okay. So let's open our books. Let's open our books. All right, let's open our books. Let's open our books. All right. We are connected. We are connected. Now, let's open our English class book, page 107. Okay. All right. It's lesson 6. Lesson 6. Number 1 says listening. Listening. So we are going to listen. We are going to listen to this audio, and then we will answer the questions. The questions, how are we going to answer them? We are going to answer them by numbering on these animals, right? So in your book, please number the animals that is being described. If number 1 is a giraffe, you say 1. If number 2 is a lion, you go on lion. Who is there?
What page?
Oh, it's page 107. The next page from yesterday, yes. Just go on the next page from yesterday. You find it, it's 107.
Teacher.
All right.
Class
Yes.
book.
Yes.
Book.
Yes.
English class book is
Yes.
1 page or 2 page?
1 page today. 1 page, okay? 1 page. All right. Let's
Book.
You say?
No.
Okay.
True or not?
Right. We are going to write out. We are going to write.
Workbook.
Listening 149.
Yes.
1 page or 2 pages?
1 page, okay. 1 page. Just to follow teacher Tate, okay? Just to follow teacher Tate. All right. Yes. It's just 1 page. Okay. Thank you. All right. Let's continue. Let's listen. Let's listen.
1.
This animal has got a long neck. It's very tall.
Is it a giraffe?
Yes, it is.
All right.
2.
So number one, they said it's got a long neck and it's a giraffe, right? So this one was already done for us. That's number one is a giraffe. Let's listen now from number 2. I'm going to start from Auka going downwards. So everyone is going to say something. So let's listen very carefully.
This animal lives at the zoo. It can run fast. It's a big cat.
Is it a tiger?
No, it isn't. It's brown.
I know.
All right. What is it, guys? Before we hear the answer, Auka.
What?
Yes, what is
It is a lion.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So number 2 is a lion.
It's a lion.
Yes, that is correct. It's a lion. All right, let's continue.
3. This animal is very long. It can't walk. It hasn't got legs.
That's easy. It's a snake.
Oh, yeah, I gave you the answer. National, what is the answer? It's a what?
Snake.
Thank you. It's a snake. It's a snake. Somebody saying monkey. Someone is saying monkey.
No monkey. No
What
monkey.
did the audio said? The audio said what? It hasn't got legs. So that is number 1. That is number 1. It hasn't got legs. And it's yes, and it's long. So it's a snake. Thank you. All right. Let's
Monkey
move on.
not long. Monkey is
Yes,
little.
yes, thank you. Monkey is little, it's not long, right?
4.
It's got 2 legs and it can walk.
Is it a parrot?
No, it isn't.
It's a what, guys? This one is a what?
Duck.
It's a?
Duck.
Thank you. Let's see.
It can't fly. It's yellow.
Yes, and it's yellow, right? It's yellow. Yellow is one of the things that is going to lead us to
It's a chick.
It's a chick, right? This is a chick. This is a chick. That is number 4. Let's listen. Number 5. Number 5. I want somebody else.
Monkey.
Who is shouting the answers?
National.
What did we say?
Monkey.
National.
Monkey.
Yeah, national. What did teacher Tate say? When you want to say the answer, you say. When you want to say the answer, you say, teacher, can I try? Can you say that? National.
Yes, monkey.
Can you say, teacher, can I try?
Monkey.
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
M-O-N-K-E-Y.
All right. Yes, national. I can hear the answer. But can you hear teacher Tate? Can you hear teacher Tate? National.
Yes.
National, can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. Teacher Tate is saying, National, if you want to tell teacher Tate the answer, you say, teacher, can I try? All right. Yes, you say, teacher, can I try? And then I'll say, National, and then you give me the answer. All right, let's continue. Let's hear the last
2
one.
legs and 2 arms. It can run and it can walk. It can climb trees.
Is it a monkey?
Yes, that's right. It's a monkey.
All right. So obviously the last one is a monkey, right? It's a monkey. All right, that was pretty easy. Let's look at this one. Let's look at number 2. Number 2 says, look at the pictures, say and answer. So the example here is saying, it's got 4 legs. It can run. It's brown and big. Is it a lion? Yes, it is. So here, guys, I want two people. We are going to have pairs, right? We're going to have pairs. Maybe Auka and Nachanon, Bright and Tanyong. Just like that, we will be in pairs. And you will ask questions to one another, right? You ask questions to one another. Let's look at these kids. Let's look at this video. We want to do what they are doing in the video. So listen carefully. Listen very, very carefully.
มันมีสีและสามารถวิ่งได้ สีน้ำตาลและตัวใหญ่คือนักผสม
It's got 4 legs. It can run. It's brown and big. Is it a lion? Yes, it is. It's very long. It hasn't got legs. It can't walk. Is it a snake? Yes, it is.
All right. Okay, guys. All right. Now we want to do what the kids in the video are doing, right? So anybody who wants to start, you describe an animal and then we can guess which animal you're describing, right? So I want the first volunteer. Anybody? Anyone?
Yes, I have one people.
Yes, Java, you can go ahead.
What?
Yes, you can go ahead, describe an animal, and then let us guess which animal you are talking about.
Oh.
Yes. Any animal,
No.
you can describe any animal, It's long, it's green, anything, it can't walk. What is it? It's
a snake.
Thank you. So that's what I want you to do. I want you to explain to us or to describe to us any animal. Yes, iPhone, go ahead. iPhone, you said. Anybody? I'm waiting. I'm giving you guys time to think, okay? Time to think. Yes. Tanyong, do you want to try?
Tanyong is not there too. Tanyong is not speaking in this Zoom.
She's there. She's there. Tanyong is there today.
Okay.
All right, Java. Yes, she's there.
Go on.
I can see all of you. She's there.
Okay, I see Tanyong.
Yes, Tanyong. Tanyong, go ahead. Oh, iPhone or Tanyong. Yes, iPhone, Tanyon, go ahead. I can see your hand is up. It's okay. Go ahead.
It has what again? Yes. It has 2 legs. It can walk, can fly. What is it?
Oh, it has 2 legs. It can fly.
Yes.
And what else?
It can walk.
Oh, it can run. All right. It can
No,
run.
it cannot run. It can walk.
Oh, it can
Just
walk. All right. It can walk.
I know. I know.
It has 2 legs. Hey, what is it? Yes. Yes.
ไม่ได้หรอก
2 heads.
Oh, it has 2 legs. All right. Hey, guys, what is it? What is it?
Look at it.
Java. Java.
It's a bird. Bird.
Is a
I think it's a bird. It's a bird, not a dog.
yes. Okay, Java thinks it's a bird. iPhone, what do you say? What is it? Can you give us the answer?
It's a bird, not a duck. First, can we say it's a duck? Now, can we say it's a duck? It's a bird.
It's a bird.
What that?
เพื่อนบอกหมา
Okay, thank you, iPhone. Thank you. All right, go ahead, Tanyong. Tanyong, I can see you're ready. All right, describe any animal. All right, let's go. Tanyong, go ahead. Any animal that you want. You can describe any animal and let us guess what it is. Come on, guys. We are not going to move from this. Today is English communication. So we are
มัน
supposed
อยู่
to talk.
ตื่นกระทาขึ้น
Right?
อะไรอ่ะพูด แมวก็ได้อ่ะ is
เอา
four leg
Pao, be ready as well. Bright,
4 leg
be ready as well.
can
Yeah,
run
you guys,
and
Kunsu,
can
Pramod, they Candle. Be ready, guys. Everyone might say something, right? And then we move on. Let's go. This is speaking. Number 2, it's speaking. So we are supposed to speak. All right, Tanyong, go ahead. Tanyong, go ahead.
Haha.
ถามเพื่อน
It's
ให้ร้องเมี้ยวเมี้ยวก็ได้อ่ะตอบถามเพื่อนเพื่อนรอตอบตันหยงเพื่อนตันหยงถามคำถามเพื่อน is four leg อ่ะแม่จะ
you can describe any animal, Tanyong.
It's 4 legs.
Yes, it has 4 legs.
Can run.
It can run.
Can walk.
All right, it can also walk. Guys, are you listening? Listen to Tanyong. Listen to her. It has 4 legs. It can walk. It can run. Yes, Tanyong. Do you want to add anything else, or we guess from there? Do we guess now the answer? Do we guess?
It's a cat or dog.
It's what? Tanyong, you said?
ถามว่าหมาเพื่อนตอบว่าหมาหรือแมวนั่นแหละตันหยงเฉลยสิอะไรล่ะแมวอ่ะตอบ
It's what? Oh, all right.
It's a cat.
All right, guys, let's
I
guess
say
now.
cat or dog.
Jaffa, let's give others a chance. Kunsu, we were all listening, guys. Kunsu, can you please tell us what did Tanyong describe? Which animal is it? Which animal, Kunsu? Teacher Tate is waiting for you. Kunsu, tell us the animal that Tanyong was describing. Kunsu, please unmute. I'm waiting for you. Not going anyway. Kunsu,
I don't know, teacher.
you don't know, but did you hear what Tanyong said? Tanyong said it's got 4 legs. It can walk. It can run. It's a big cat. What is it?
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Who is joining us? Good morning. All right, I can't see you right now, but good morning. We are on page 107. Page 107. Oh, it's Mega. Oh, Mega, you are late. All right, guys. I think, okay, anybody else to just give us the answer and then we move on. Thank you, everybody who has contributed. That was wonderful. I hope we're all listening. I hope we're all listening and we learned something, right? All right, tell us the answer, guys. What is the animal? Java, what is the animal that Tanyong was describing? It's a what? It's a?
It's like lion and tiger.
Oh, it's a lion and a tiger. Yes, they can all fit. A lion or a tiger can fit, but in the picture we have a lion, so we take lion. Thank you so much, everybody. Thank you, Java. Thank you, Tanyong, iPhone. Everybody have contributed. Thank you. Number three. Number three says writing preparation. Writing preparation. So we are just going to write A, B, C, D. This is very easy. Okay, it says circle, empty, and match. All right, this can't, it means cannot. I think last time we talked about it. And we said, if whenever you see a word that is written like this, for example, can't, all right, or shouldn't, hasn't, right? This empty, it means cannot, not, right? So there's an O in the middle. So on number 1 up to 4, we are going to choose the answer that is matching with the number that is here on the left. And then we choose the long form on the right. For example, it can't read. It can't read. The answer here will be it cannot read. It cannot read. And you write here B. You write here B. So it's a very, very easy. All right. Number 2 says a seal can't fly. A seal can't fly. What can be the answer here? What can be the answer? This one is really easy. I want us to move very fast.
Seal cannot fly.
Thank you.
Can't fly.
Thank you so much. The answer is D. The answer is on D, letter D. Number 3, action boy can't talk. Action boy can't talk. The answer will be
cannot talk.
Thank you. Thank you. Action boy cannot talk. Right? Number. Okay, Nachanon. Nachanon.
A.
The last one. I can't swim.
C. Nachanon, C.
Yes, C. How do we read C? Can you please read C? It says what?
C.
Can you read C? Can you read the answer C? What is it saying? It's saying what?
Swim. I cannot swim, Papu.
I cannot
swim.
Thank you so much. I cannot swim. So guys, this is very easy. We are just adding O. We are just adding O in the middle of N and C, right? To convert it from can't and cannot. All right. All right. The last thing is what letter is missing? This one I already told you. The letter that is missing is what? I want someone to tell me the letter that is missing.
Me.
Yes, iPhone.
O.
Thank you. O. Yes, O. Right. O is the letter that is missing. Thank you very much. Can we please finish writing here? We want to switch the books and go to our workbook page 107. All right. Okay, let's proceed. Are we all done?
What pen?
Page 107. All right, let's proceed. Let's proceed. Page 107. It's very, very easy again. It's very, very easy. The page 107 in our workbook, lesson 6. Very easy. Let's go through it together. Let's go through it together. Circle anti again, the one that we were doing in our class book in these sentences. Circle anti in these sentences. A giraffe can't climb trees. So we're just going to circle the NT, that's it, and we are done. So this is very easy, guys. This is very easy. Let's be doing it. Teacher Tate is going to be circling for her on. Okay, let's circle this. Let's circle NT.
Teacher, number.
We are on number 1.
Number 1.
Yes, this is number 1. Number 1 is just saying circle. So this is how you do it, guys. When a question says circle a certain word, this is how you just do it and you're done. All right. So even in the exam, if you're asked to circle anything, just to make sure you get what they want you to circle, and then you circle that thing. That is okay. And you are done. Very, very easy. Are we all there now? Kunsu, are you there? Kunsu? Kunsu, are you there? Are you there on number 1? Where are you? Pramot, are you there? Are you there on number 1? Circle and T, circle and T. Circle and T. Very, very easy. All right, we can move on. I think we can move on, right? Let's move on. All right, number 2 says, write the long form. I know you guys that you're already on number 4. I know you're busy writing and you're quiet. I don't know you. All right, number 2 says, write the long form. What we were it's just the same thing that we were doing in our class book today. All right, number 1 says a giraffe can't swim. And the long form is a giraffe cannot swim.
Cannot?
Yes. So you're just changing can't to cannot. Can't, cannot, right? Can't, cannot. Can't, cannot. Very, very easy. On the 3 questions, number 1 was done for us. So we're going to do number 2, 3, and 4. Number 2, 3, and 4.
Teacher, I finished number 2.
You already finished number 4. I know you guys, you're quiet. You're not giving Teacher Tate answers, but you're writing. All right, number 2. Number 2, a monkey can't fly. Give Teacher Tate the answers. She doesn't know. Give me the answers. Don't leave me, guys. Don't leave me. That's not good. A monkey can't fly. A monkey can't fly. How do I write it? Huh? Who is helping Teacher Tate? I can't see you. No. Pramod, help Teacher Tate. A man can't fly. What do I say in long form? Come again, Pramod. I didn't hear you.
No.
A monkey cannot fly. A monkey cannot fly. A monkey cannot fly. Right? Cannot fly. All right. A snake can't run. A snake can't run. Anybody to help Teacher Tate? How do I write this one? All right, guys, our time is up, but let's come back just a few minutes. Let's come back a few minutes and then we finish off our workbook, right?
But I finished all. I do.
You finish missed you. Oh, it's okay. Come back and help teacher Tate. All right. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to send the link again. Just a few minutes and then we are done. Today is English communication.
cannot run.
Yes, thank you. A snake cannot run. Cannot run.